Ramaphosa announces move from level 3 to level 2. President Cyril Ramaphosa announced the easing of the virus regulations on Sunday evening, saying there had been a sustained decline in infections over the past few weeks. The decision came after consultations with several organizations, experts, and political party leaders. Based on these discussions and the recommendations and the proposals that have been put forward, and the requests, the cabinet has decided the country should be moved from an adjusted level 3 and be placed on adjusted level 2, with effect from tomorrow, said Ramaphosa. A curfew will remain in place, but will start at 11 p.m. and end at 4 a.m. Non-essential establishments, such as restaurants, bars, and fitness centers, must close by 10 p.m. so staff has time to travel home. Gatherings are now limited to a maximum of 250 people indoors, up from 50, while outdoor gatherings will be limited to 500, up from 100. Funerals remain restricted to no more than 50 people, and, as before, night vigils and after-funeral and after-tears gatherings are not allowed. The new regulations start on Monday. The National Institute for Communicable Diseases (NICD) said on Sunday evening that 3,961 new virus cases had been identified in SA, bringing the number of laboratory-confirmed cases since the start of the pandemic to 2,858,195. This increase represented an 11% positivity rate,